Jason Fitzgerald here at Blustream booth at ISE 2026. A lot of stuff going on in the booth, but one of the big things for Blustream has always been video over IP, and we've constantly been expanding the horizons, and this really is no different. This is our ACM1000. We've been showing it off for now almost a year, and it's finally going to come, and what that's really given us is the ability to expand on existing Blustream systems that are out there, or building on this new platform that expands our ability to control basically all of our IP systems. The first, of course, will be for the IP200 and 300. That's our 4K30 and 4K30. 4K30 and 4K60 solutions. But as you can see, the same tried and true drag and drop control configuration is here as well. But now we'll have the ability to control your sources and your displays. So we're taking that control ring basically one more layer out. And with that, you could even bring up an on-screen remote to control your sources and displays. And all that can be done using IR, serial, that's RS-232, and CEC. So with this expanded control, we've even got macro functionality, so we can queue up multiple commands to perhaps at one point easily open your shades, turn on your projector, and of course then turn on your display and put it on the right input, or even build other things like redundancy to the system. If you are going to a particular transmitter and it loses connectivity, we can automatically set up a macro that'll swap it over, right? So all of this baked into this new advanced controller. And then of course we got scheduling. So now we can schedule up certain things. Say, for example, you want to make sure at 7 o'clock everything, shop is closing up, you want all of your sources to go back to a default routing scheme, you can macro that up, queue it up here in the schedule. All this can be done with the new advanced controller, the ACM1000. Groups, presets, a lot to see here. One of the cool things under the hood is going to be the ability to increase the switching speed and run all commands in parallel. So that's kind of a little bit of a more geeky aspect of this, I would say, but under the hood we've got a quad processor that's going to allow us now to do switching near instantaneously, along with the ability to run commands concurrently. So switching video all layouts, doing your routing, all that done with the new ACM1000. Of course, for more information, you can find us on the World Wide Web, www.blustream.com.